Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Cook and Stir, and today's video recipe is about potato rolls. Here are the ingredients. You can pause the video and read it through or watch along as I tell you how to make the recipe. So let's start by taking 2 to 3 boiled potatoes grated, 1 chopped onion, 2 to 3 green chilies chopped, coriander leaves, half teaspoon cumin powder, salt to taste, half teaspoon chaat masala, and 3 tablespoon corn flour. Mix well. Use your hands to bind them nice and good. Apply some oil on your hands and get started. Make potato balls. Now let's take 1 cup maida, salt to taste, half teaspoon cumin, and 1 tablespoon oil. Gradually add water and knead it into a dough. Let it rest for 15 minutes. Now just follow as shown in the video. Then roll it with a rolling pin and make it flat. Cut the sides to get a better shape for ease of use. Use the potato ball as a reference to cut it. Now all you got to do is roll it and stick the ends with the maida plus water glue. Fry them in hot oil. Fry until golden brown and crispy. And that's it for this video. Don't forget to hit that like button and catch you in another one. Till then, thanks for watching.